In today's video, let me quickly teach you how to transfer money to your bank using your Venmo account. If you have some balance remaining on your Venmo account and you're trying to transfer it onto your bank account, let me show you the easy steps that you can follow. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the tutorial. Open up your Venmo app. From the home screen of your Venmo app, in order to transfer payments, you need to tap on the transfer account that is on the top of the screen. If you don't see the screen right away, you need to head over to the Me section, which is on the bottom right. If you head over to the Me section, you straight away see your balance that is available on your Venmo. I do not have any balance right now, but if you do, you can just tap on this transfer button right here. Once you tap on transfer, it's going to take you to this screen. Here, just type in the amount that you're trying to transfer to your bank. Now, usually there are two options. Either you can choose the instant or 1 to 2 business days. If you choose the instant option, it's going to charge you 1% of your total amount that you're trying to transfer. So if you're trying to transfer $100, it's going to charge you 1%, which is going to be $1. Otherwise, if you're not in a hurry, you can choose 1 to 3 business days, which is going to be free of cost. So choose your option and then tap on transfer on the bottom. This way, depending upon which option you choose, your amount of Venmo will be transferred to your bank account. So those are the steps that you need to follow in order to transfer money to your bank on your Venmo account. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys soon in the next one. Thanks for watching.